Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be dealing with this. So a few years ago, I decided to restore this old wheelbarrow. I don't have any before pictures, but I can show you what the handle looked like. So I put on brand new 8/4 ash handles, painted it red, and did everything except replace the tire because I didn't have one at the time. And of course, guess what happened when I pulled it out over the weekend to try and use it? The tire was flat. So in today's video, I'm going to be replacing the tire and tube. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. Once you get started, you just wrap your screwdriver around it or any other rounded object, and that'll pop the seam off. Then you'll want to remove the inner tube. Throw that away. Pull really hard. And boom! Tire's off. If you find the tire is getting stuck on the rim, just grab a little bit of soapy water and splash it around. When you're at the halfway point, don't forget to put the inner tube in. It's really important to line up the valve with the corresponding hole for the valve on the rim. Time for more soapy water. Don't be an idiot like me. Don't shove your screwdriver in there because you will break the inner tube. All right. And now for the moment of truth. Time to pump this bad boy up. I hope you enjoyed the video where I took this old crappy tire and put a brand new one on. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Until next time, cheers and have a great day. If you're having issues getting the tire on, grab a little bit of soapy water and lube it up. If you're having issues putting the tire on, grab a little bit of soapy water, rub it around, and it'll make things so much better. If you're having issues getting it on, just grab some lube.